Hello everyone and welcome back to Blender Car Modeling. This is versus 53 and we are going to be modeling the Toyota Supra Mark IV. So hey everyone and welcome back to Blender Car Modeling, and today we're going to be making the front lip spoiler or the splitter. You can see on the image that the front lip splitter is going to be just underneath our bumper, and it is a very aerodynamically important part of a car. It is going to help you manage the airflow under the car, reducing lift, and will also increase downforce at higher speeds. And it is also going to protect the bottom edge of the bumper from minor scrapes or contact with curbs. The general Supra does not have these cuts right here. So all of these other pictures, the references that I do have, you can find them in the description. They all do not have this cut right here. So you can just go ahead and not do the cut, but just for aesthetic purposes, I'm going to make the lower lip, the front lip, like this, exactly like this reference picture. So just go ahead to the modeling and we'll get started. So guys, I already have the reference image that we are going to be using for this video pasted right here. You can just get that downloaded from the drive link down in the description. Just go ahead and download that and keep that open. I've already showed you how to open it. You can just split this tab like this and then just go here and open it again. Go to image editor and just open it with this file icon right here. So after you're done with that, what we're going to be doing is just duplicating the vertices right here so that we have a smooth continuity. Alright, so just select the lower vertex right here, press shift D so that you can move it around the duplicated vertices. Right click to keep it in place, press P and separate the selection. Just tab out, go ahead and select our selection right here, go to our front view, and as you can see, this is the front lip that is going to be going all the way here. So just press A, E and Z and just pull it down. Okay, just pull this entire vertex down and move it a little bit in. Right, after done moving this in, we're just going to be moving all of these until they're aligned. So let's start with this G and Z. I'm just gonna align them. You can watch the video if you do need some help. If you do not, you can just go ahead and align them on your own. So for all of these vertices, they all need to be in one line. So let's just do S, Z and 0. So that is going to make them a straight line. And after that, just keep manually extending these. Just make sure this is a smooth curvature right here. So what we can do here is just select all of these, press S, Z and 0 and just rotate them, right? Like that. Press 3 and this lip, both of these things are going to be, this edge is going to be touching here. Just press G and pull it down. Now we're going to make this protruding part right here. Just press Ctrl R and keep this right about there. Press G and Y and just pull that out. Alright. Add another. Take it near to this edge. G and Y and that goes behind. And another one here. Keep that in the middle. And this one is going to go outside. Alright. So your curvature is going to be something like this. It's going to be dipping and then going outside. Have a look there. Right? And then what I'm going to be doing is just tabbing right back in. And then we're going to be making the slot right here. The slot. So let's go ahead and make that. Go back to 1. And the slot is going to be made right here. So let's align these according to the slot, and we're going to be aligning them with G by double clicking G. So once you're done making this slot, something like this, just have a look here. So this is going to be our slot, right? Now what we're going to be doing is just extruding this back. Just angle your view in something like this. Press E and Y and just take that back, right? Now just press Ctrl R and take this one right to the edge, right? One more edge loop right to this edge right here. Press Alt Z so that you can see through, and just click on Alt and select the outer edge loop and just press F to make a face, right? And now just press I and insert it, and now we're adding another edge loop right about here and another one right here. Alright, going back to 1, just have a look there. That is going to be our slot cutout right here. And if you do want, just go back to 1. Just go ahead and move these about to give it a better shape. Right, this looks good enough for me. And now we're going to be joining this from the bottom, right? Just tap back in, press Alt Z. And we're going to be needing all of these vertices from this point to this point right here, this corner one. So I notice an issue right here. Let's go ahead and fix that one. Just this one. Yeah. Just drag this out a bit with G and X until it's visible. Yeah. Nice. So now let's just select this one right up until this one. Right. One, control this one, and just press E and X and slide that until it meets up at the front, right? And now let's just see how many edge loops we need. Just go ahead and count these. If you do have them different than me, just go ahead and count them. So I have 11 cuts right here, so I just need to make 11 cuts right here. After done with this, just press Ctrl R and just scroll up until you're getting 11 cuts. Alright, and just right click to keep them in the center. Just select all of these, select a triangle here, press F, and then select this and just keep pressing F until that's going to face up to the very end right here. Let me fix this. So these are going in a slant manner. I do not want that. Select this one last, just press S, Z, SX and 0, right? That is gonna help. Same with this, select the upper 3. Right, so just have a look. That is going to be our lip right here. I'm also noticing a tiny detail right about here, that our lip is going to be protruding outside. So let's just select this one and let's just slide it on our y-axis until it protrudes outside like that. Alright. And to help the protruding transition, let's just add another edge loop right here and slide that one out a little bit. Right. So have a look right here. So we have our nice transition here, and just adjust these. Just press Alt X and go to our red mirror ball matte cap and just have a look if this is matching up. If the shadows are gonna match up like this, it's going to be going pretty smooth. Just select this, shade it smooth. These reflections are matching up here, and that's going well. So one more thing, we're gonna be needing to slide these right here. So let's just get that done. About, and there we go, that is our front lip right there. Good job guys on completing Blender car modeling part 7, how to make a car, and we are making the Toyota Supra Mark IV. I hope you're understanding every step I am doing and you're following, and if you do have any doubts or any suggestions, be sure to drop them in the comment box down below. Also, be sure to drop a like, share and subscribe if you do like these videos. It really helps me out a lot. And thank you for watching. All the best and happy creating.